Convolutional Neural Networks, or CNNs.
A convolutional neural network is a type of deep learning architecture specifically designed to process grid-structured data like images. It automatically learns spatial hierarchies of features through layers that detect patterns, edges, and complex structures.
Think of CNNs as a visual recognition system that mimics how your brain processes images. Instead of looking at every pixel individually, it scans small regions at a time, identifying simple features like edges first, then combining them to recognize more complex objects. Similar to how activation functions enable neural networks to learn complex patterns, CNNs use specialized layers to extract visual features progressively.
In facial recognition systems, CNNs analyze photos by first detecting basic elements like edges and curves, then identifying features like eyes and noses, and finally recognizing complete faces. This same approach powers everything from unlocking your smartphone to tagging friends in social media photos.
CNNs are fundamental to computer vision and image processing applications across industries. They enable autonomous vehicles to detect pedestrians and road signs, help medical professionals identify diseases in X-rays and MRI scans, and power quality control systems in manufacturing. Convolutional neural networks.